Hi everybody, this is Yamati. Welcome to Bring Divine Mind channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Today we are going to see about an interesting topic, how to become rich. In this world, everyone wants to be rich, isn't it? Because if you have more money means automatically you will be happy, right? So what are the things we have to do in order to become rich? That is the topic today we are going to discuss. I'll be giving you some of the tips in order to become rich. Shall we go to the topic? Before telling that what are the things you have to do in order to become rich, I'm going to tell you that what are the things that you should not do. The first thing is you should not talk negatively about money. Some people will be telling like this, I have only this much of salary. I don't know that what I'm going to do with this money because I have very poor salary. This money is not sufficient for me to run my family. And what I'll be doing with this money? My salary is very low and I cannot buy this product because it's very costly, so I'm longing for that. Just like that, you should not have any negative thought about money, and you should not use any negative words towards money. Okay, those things should be avoided. I should see and spend because very little amount of money I'm having. Okay, so these are the negative words we'll be using about the money, so those words should not be used. And the second thing which you should not do is, some people, they always worry when they spend the money. For example, if they get something for their home, they'll tell that I'm spending this much of money, I feel very sad, I don't have money but I'm spending like this. And if any guest come to their home means they feel frightened, okay, because they need to spend money in order to give food for them. So just like that, people are having the thought that is not correct actually. If you're doing like that, then money will not come to you. So whenever you're spending the money, you should spend it happily, because one form of money is converted into another form. You're spending the money and you're getting a product, right? Because you're only converting your money into some other form. You get a TV for your home, you'll be spending for that. But you are saying that I spent this much of money and I got this TV. See how much amount this TV is. Just like that, we'll have a thought, right? So it is not correct actually. While you're spending, you have to be very happy, okay? Because if you are in the happy mindset, only the money will come back to you. Okay, always the money will be rotating. But if you feel sad and if you worry often while you're spending, means money will not come back to you. Okay, so always you should have a happy mindset while you're spending. And the next thing which you should not do is stop counting the money often. Some people often have the habit of counting the money often. It shows a doubt mindset, okay, because you don't believe yourself and you're just checking the money whether it is safe or not, and you don't want to spend the money. That is the mindset. So often you'll be counting the money, so that is not correct actually. So these are the things which you should not do in order to become rich. Now I'm going to tell you that what are the things you should do in order to become rich. The first thing what you have to do is gratitude. First you have to thank God and the universe, because you have at least got this job with this salary at least. Because so many people are there without a job and without having any salary. Because God has given you at least this amount of salary for the sake of your family and you should express your gratitude. That is very important. First important point is you should express your gratitude, okay? And the next important point is you should decide that how much amount of money you want, okay? So even if you want a crore or if you want 100 crores also, no issues, but you should have the confidence and you should decide that how much amount is needed for you, and you should have a purpose in order to spend that money. Simply if you ask I want 100 crores means there is no purpose at all, there is no use in it, because you should have a purpose. You get 100 crores means how are you going to spend that money, for what purpose you're going to use that money, and out of that 100 crores how much you're going to spend in order to do some service. So that is very important. So if you have a clear idea about how much you're going to earn and how you're going to spend that amount and what is the purpose to have that much of money, that is very important. Okay, if that is clear means automatically money will be attracted by you. You will get the money whatever you deserve. So if you have a clear purpose in your life and if you have the mindset to help others, means surely you will get the money which you needed from the universe or from God, whatever it may be. So purpose and the helping mindset is very, very important in order to become rich. Now you are very much clear with your purpose, right? And what you have to do is, the next step is you have to visualize. So you have to visualize that after getting that money, what are you going to do? How are the ways you will be spending it, and how your purpose gets fulfilled, and how you will be helping others. Just like that, you have to visualize. Okay, so that is the second step. And the third step, what you have to do is you should feel that how it will be if you have 100 crores in your hand and if you help people. How about your feelings, how you happy you will be, how excited you will be. Just like that, you should feel about that. So that is the third thing you have to do. First point is you should know the purpose of spending that money, and the second is you have to visualize that if you get that money, what are the things you will be doing and how happy you will be. And the third thing is you should have a feeling. You should feel that how your mindset will be and how you enjoy spending it. Just like that, you have to do. And the next important thing what you have to do is feeling alone is not sufficient. You should get into the action. So you should plan accordingly that what are the things I can do in order to earn that money. You have to plan that how am I going to earn that money. That is very important. So next thing is you have to get into the action. Without action, if you are dreaming alone, means there is no use at all. Okay, so after dreaming or after visualizing and after feeling it, you should get into action. And the next important thing is you have to find new friends. Why I'm telling to find new friends is you'll be having friends actually. The friends which you have now, those people know they'll be in the same status like you and they have the same mindset just like you. So what I'm saying is you have to find new friends who are already rich, and if you mingle with those people, what happens is automatically you will attract their mindset and automatically you will get that mindset also. So what happens, you will be attracting money from the universe easily. So in order to learn their mindset, it is better to get new friends, establish some contacts with people who are very rich already. Okay, so that is very important. So in order to have a rich people's mindset, you should mingle with people who are already rich. So if you do all these things, surely you will become rich. Okay, hope this video is very useful for you in order to become rich and in order to have a rich people's mindset. Okay, if you really like this video, please do share with your friends. Thank you so much for your patience listening.